In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use List Perfectly's word alert to alert you when you're listing to words that may be included in a listing that can put your selling account at risk, such as Vero words on eBay. Macari doesn't like the word register. There are just certain words that are triggers on different selling platforms that you really don't want to use in your listing. However, when you're building listings on List Perfectly and then cross-posting them to multiple platforms, sometimes those words can end up in a description box or in the title that would be okay on 3 of 4 of your selling platforms, but not okay on one of them. So you can set your word alert up to look for specific words across all platforms or to be platform specific. Let's take a look. When you're in your browser, at the top, click on your List Perfectly icon. On the bottom right where it says settings next to the little cog, you want to click that. On this main page here, you want to make sure the box next to turn on or off word alert is checked. And remember, anytime you're using your settings in List Perfectly, you can click on these question marks inside of the circles next to any of the options to pull up a page to explain to you what that feature does. For instance, word alert. When the box is checked, when cross-posting to marketplaces, an alert will display if specific words are detected in your description that may be prohibited. If it is unchecked, no alert messages will be seen. And most of these explanations of features will have the option of watching a demo. We'll go back to my settings. Once I have turned on my word alert, at the top here, you can see the icons for all the different selling platforms. You can go into each one individually and set your customized word alert for that specific selling platform. All the way on the bottom, there is a box where you can type these words in. And you can set these preferences for each and every individual platform. On eBay, I have added onesie, Velcro, because those are known Veros, and I don't want to accidentally get in trouble for that. I'm going to edit this listing to include one of the flagged words so you can see the word alert in action. You can see I have added Velcro to the title of these jeans. Now I'm going to attempt to cross-post them to eBay. And you can see on the right side, a red box has popped up with a red triangle and a red exclamation point. This is to alert me. Word alert. Listing title has the word Velcro in it. If it was in the description box, it would have told me that as well. I'll edit this to put onesie in the description box. You can see my word alert box has come up, a bright red box with the exclamation point. Word alert. My listing title has the word Velcro, and my listing description has the word onesie. And this will look the same on all of your selling platforms, alerting you to any of your words that are in the title or the description so that you can remove them before listing and keep the integrity of your selling platforms intact and not put your business or your accounts at risk.